USB charging cable. It has built-in rechargeable battery. This is an active noise-cancelling earpiece. This earpiece is two-way design. Push-to-talk keyboard, speaker keyboard, clip for the keyboard. This is the connector for two-way radio. This is the Q1 connector. It is compatible with most of brands in the market. If you don't know whether it is compatible with your two-way radio, please consult us. This is the covered acoustic tube. This is the collar clip. This covered acoustic tube is detachable and replaceable. Quick disconnector. Now let's introduce the most important part. Push-to-talk button. USB charging port. This is the closing clip. This closing clip is 360-degree rotatable. You can position it anywhere on your clothes. This is the switch for the noise cancelling function. Push to turn on the noise cancelling function, and the indicator light became blue. Push to turn off the noise cancelling function.